freefocusedance.com. I'm Chris Reed, and we're going to get into a little bit of basic acrobatic movement, starting off with a headstand. So if I want to do a headstand, I need to put my knees on the floor, both hands on the floor, and the top of my head on the floor. Now the most important part of a headstand is making sure that my neck and my back are both straight. If you've never been on your head before, ever, you want to hold this position with your hands and both feet on the floor. I'm on my tiptoes, and my hands are between my neck and my feet. This is like a 5-point stance. I want to stay here just so I can get used to putting weight on my head, and then I can come down. That's like the most basic thing that you can do. Once I feel comfortable on top of my head, putting weight on the top of my head, I'm going to take one leg and put the knee on one elbow. Same side knee, same side elbow. And I'm holding myself here just to get used to the stabilization on the top of my head. When I'm ready, I put the knee on my other elbow, and this is what we like to call like well, I don't remember what you call this, but we're going to call it triceratops. So I'm in my triceratops position here. Once I get used to this, I'm going to squeeze my knees together and push my feet all the way up. Notice that my hands are in the same exact position that I placed them from before, and I'm pushing pretty hard to help maintain my stability. Then I put my knees back onto my elbows and my feet back down onto the floor. Some things to keep in mind, maybe you've tried a headstand before and it didn't quite work out the way that you anticipated, is maybe instead of your hands being here, you're putting your hands right here. Now if you're strong, you could do a headstand technically from this position, but the safest place is here, in between my knees and my head. I need to have my hands back, so when I go into here, my tripod, that's what this is called. When I go into my tripod, my knees are on my elbows. After that, I can push straight up, weighted between my head and both hands, and that's my headstand. All right, I'm Chris Reed, and that was headstand.